since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face. What can I do? Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I fear there is no other way. It's what I can do, what I can do. Then I want to be with you, but you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy alert you. Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right. Well, y'all see that? Patchy went on a maiden truck run, first run, drive around the parking lot. Looked pretty good. We all here at the Goodguys Nationals, Kentucky. Custom Creations, cruising the parking lot. Goodguys Kentucky Nationals. There you go, that's a nice golf cart. Y'all hear that? And that ain't the moped. That's this beast right here.
$180,000 hair took your full car. Please give me a call back. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You done cut out that quarter and put in a new one?
I have.
We're working on finishing it up.
Yep. A couple more plugs in here and then down the jam.
That's quick work.
Thank you.
Scout. Been waiting on the metal work for about a month. Come in from the supplier, and so starting to put it all together. Got some new fenders for it and some floor plan and all that stuff. So this will start coming right together. Got our Corvette and our GTO at the alignment shop this week. Getting that aligned, and about to put some miles on the GTO.
Oh, we're sorry. We stopped. She's like, no.
What the heck?
What?
What y'all doing?
Tag teaming it. Yeah. He's taking out the wiring harness, and I'm working on this still.
Transmission tunnel?
Yeah. It'll be more like a transmission hurdle.
Yeah.
Transmission hurdle. But yeah.
Get back to work on a 69 O's. Gotta start buttoning that up. What's that contraption you got on your head?
Oh, that's my that's my radio.
This 36 Ford is looking good. That is. Look at the body lines on that. What do you think, Travis? Meeting your expectations?
Who?
The way it's looking.
It's getting there. A few little minor details yet.
Hey, I think that pin-up thing you was in this weekend was rigged.
I don't want to see.
Huh?
I didn't see anybody getting pinned up.
Yeah, it was rigged.
It's rigged.
Well, Zachary.
Howdy.
Ty Yeller. Oh, he don't want to be on camera. I'm working. I don't care what you do around this wet sand, and I'm like 3 feet away. My feet's still getting wet.
Probably have my water bill. Well, take no look
So what'd you think about the show this past weekend?
Feels good.
You know, the GoPro's in the airplane that's in Columbia, so I doubt I'm going to be able to use any of that footage this week. I have to revert back to it on next week's shop walk.
I thought you was going to go get it. Pick it up.
I don't know if I'll get it by that time or not. We'll see.
Feels good. There could have been a few more people there.
Yeah. I don't think the setup was exactly optimal. How they had it spread out. If we were in the middle of all the cars that showed up there from the individuals, or around the border of them, there'd been a lot more traffic. It's still fun though.
Well, it's good. We had a good time. Met some people, did a little bit of networking. No?
Did you buy a car for $180,000?
No, I didn't buy a car for $180,000. I have $180,000. Then I was going to have a car built. Supposedly.
Who's gonna build it for you?
Charlie.
Do you see that video?
Yes.
You haven't seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That was funny. I think we gotta be on the lookout because we're gonna get something back from Charlie.
Well, you know, it's networking. It's having fun between two shops.
That's right.
As long as nobody gets hurt. Or
That's all
nobody's
fun.
name is slain.
Yep.
Should be good.
You've been playing in the water for like 2 weeks, haven't you?
Longer than that.
Longer than that?
Yeah.
You about ready to get this thing over with?
Yes.
Start putting it together?
Yes. Ready for the next one.
You ready for that big packer to come in?
Ready for something else.
39 packer to come in?
For something else.
Hey, dog! What are you doing?
Get my weather strips on.
Thought you had the carpet already in it. You pull it back out?
No, it's cut. I gotta bind it.
Bind it. Did you get your binding stuff last week?
Yeah. Or Monday. Monday.
Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, got the hood scoop on it.
Got the hood scoop, dash pad.
Hey, doors ain't supposed to open that way.
Why not?
Oh,
Or butterfly. Or something.
huh. Yeah. Yep.
Got all that stuff on there.
Tag bracket. Did you miss me?
Did you miss me?
Uh-huh.
No, you didn't.
Like diarrhea. I'm just kidding.
That's mean.
Hey, you gonna take my job up front? You didn't go get your stuff, move it up front.
Well, I figured I needed to get some stuff done back here before I move on.
So what does that mean? I get to move on?
Yeah, where you want to go?
Go flying and stuff?
Yep.
All right. So we got the 67 Camaro painted, which y'all seen before. Got the Indian Outlaw back up on the blocks. Was at the show with us. And we got the K5 Blazer painted, body painted last week before we left. Travis, Professor T, put the paint on after the guys left on Wednesday. Painted it Wednesday afternoon, then we took off for the show on Thursday. It still needs to be cut and buffed. And they're looking at probably getting the rest of the doors and the fenders and all that painted this week. So this will be coming together soon too. You know what you're doing?
Nope. First time.
You know what you're doing?
Nope. First time. I can tell you what I did to that guy.
Y'all know what y'all doing?
No.
First time.
Making noise.
First time.
What y'all doing?
Well, about to open up some coal on that running board a little bit. Somebody forgot their medication today.
Oh. Hey,
It ain't worth
did you forget it?
I ran out.
Uh-oh. So were you tired or
She ain't
what?
lazy. She ain't done shit. Absolute pure lazy.
Truck broke. It was raining. Put it right on
Oh,
my
goodness.
driveway.
Hey guys. Hello.
Hey,
$180,000.
They saw that trick you played on.
Who did?
They did.
I didn't play no trick. I don't know why everybody's saying me. Me. This was a group thing.
I got you on video.
I mean, does somebody need to be wallered? Come here.
Hey! Stay away from the cameraman.
Hola.
Got it all cut out?
Figuring out what I gotta cut to make it fit. And then test fit it.
It all grinded down, ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the little bell in the corner so that when we put a new one, you can find out. Y'all have a good one.